Next, variation of specific and equivalent conductance with dilution. So first we go effect of dilution on specific conductance K. So K is decreased with the dilution of electrolyte. What is that? The specific conductance will be decreased when the dilution is increased. The specific conductance K is the decreasing because of depend on number of ions are decrease, because of number of ions are decrease in a 1 ml of solution. So that's why the K value is decreased with dilution of electrolyte. Okay, next one, second one, the effect of dilution on equivalent conductance. So equivalent conductance, effect of dilution on equivalent conductance. For example, I take the weak electrolyte, that we know weak electrolyte acetic acid, the equivalent conductance lambda, it is increased on dilution. What is that? The weak electrolyte, the acetic acid, the equivalent conductance is increased on dilution. This increase is more because of when you are adding of more water into the acetic acid, so their ionization increase, so their number of ions are increase, velocity is also increase, so easily they can carry the more current. So finally the conductance is increase. Okay, understood? Right, I will take the second one, that is strong electrolyte. That one NaCl, KCl, these are the strong electrolyte. So strong electrolyte means they don't have more energy. So here in the chemistry, strong electrolyte means so you can easily to separate any ion, that like we call the strong electrolyte. So NaCl and KCl both are easily to separate as like a Na plus and Cl minus and K plus Cl minus. So on dilution, strong electrolyte like NaCl and KCl on dilution, the lambda value will be increase. What is that? On the dilution, the lambda value will be increase. This increasing is less. Why it is less? Means the strong electrolytes ionize completely even at low dilution. So at low dilution, the strong electrolyte, they can be separate easily and to carry the current. So on furtherly dilution, the number of ions will be remain same. So that's why the conductivity increasing less, but in that weak electrolyte is more. Thank you.